Hey yo, welcome y'all. So as usual, this code draw, and today we're gonna do some lead code problems. So for the new ones, this is code draw, and every day we do a lead code problem or coding challenges. Actually, until I get a job or internship. So bring anything you can drink, and welcome to the stream. So don't forget to join me on GitHub. This is my GitHub profile. Don't forget to follow me on it, and you can find my other social media account in the YouTube bio. So this is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub, and this is my Instagram. And finally, we did a server Discord that you're all free to join anytime you want. So without further ado, let's go to read code problems. So yesterday we did a array problems. I think I'm gonna continue doing that until like tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we're gonna change some stuff. So let's go to it. So here yesterday we did this reverse word in string. So today we're gonna do the product of array list, the product of array except self. Okay. So what is that? Let's bring our whiteboard. So this is the problem of yesterday. So let's go. Okay, so product of array except self. So give an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer of I is equal to the product of all element of nums except nums of I. Okay, so the product of any prefix or suffix of num is guaranteed to fit the 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in on time and without using the division operation. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 2. Okay, so I really didn't focus with it. So nums of I, answer of I is equal to the product of all the element nums. So 24 is equal to 2 product, which means like multiplied by. Okay, so this number all will equal 0 except this because okay, so 24 equal 2 multiplied by 3, it's 6. Okay, so 3 multiplied by, and here it should be 2 multiplied by 4, and here 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so it's very simple, I think. Well, I don't know why it's okay. So on, we can do it like on. Okay, so we have this list. Okay, and the output will be 24, 12, 8 and 6, where each number will be the multiplication of those number except itself. Okay, oh ahla, welcome stream, man. Okay, so 12 would be 3 by 4. Okay, I think we're gonna simply run it. Oh, we cannot make two loops because it will be the time complexity will be O n 2, and he wants O n 1. Can we like we can use two pointer, I think. Okay, so let's see. So 3 and 4. So we have okay, let's suppose we are here 2. Or actually 3 pointers. Okay, so I, and this is G. So I multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 3, and then 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so Oh, we're not gonna multiply. Okay. Okay, okay. So I think I can make it like with two pointers. Hmm. And every time, no, I think that will be O complexity O n two. Hmm. Hmm. How we're gonna make it? Like the solution is very simple. By the time complexity is hard like to get without repeating the loop two times. Okay, so I'm gonna search about the Java thing. Mm, okay. Division. Okay, so the product of any prefix or suffix of num is guaranteed to fit. I'm not like understand this sentence. Go like store. Okay, so begin from here. I'm gonna do all this. Okay, so let's think of it with the memoization thing or memorization thing. Okay, so I have one, two, three, four. I think like we don't have to make it two loops. So if we already calculate this, hmm, I'm thinking of like sub lists. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna like search for a thing. So multiply list on on level the list. Each element in a list by a number. Hmm. You can do that in ON. Okay. I was going program interview wasn't solved. Not sure. Say you have a list of the goal is to line complexity. So no nested loops. Every rule except the. Okay, so this is it. See if this is pre-multiplication technique or prefix sum. Oh, I'm gonna use the prefix sum. I think you have to iterate and multiply one by one. There is no shortcut now. Um, s if we do that, we're gonna fall in the trap of the nested loop, and the time complexity will be O n power 2, so we cannot really do it. So if he's like talking about the prefix sum, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna like have a paper about the prefix sum. Where is it? Okay, chat, just a second. so we already did a prefix sum problem in one of the stream. Hey, bro, remember you subscribed from India? Hey, of course I remember you. Hey, welcome to stream, man. Okay, so I'm looking. So on this textbook I have the prefix sum technique. So I think I'm gonna look at it to facilitate our mission. Okay, so where is it? What is the prefix sum? Doing it clean. Yeah, it could as usual. Yeah. Okay, so where is the prefix sum? Sliding window. No. I didn't write it. Okay. Okay, so multiplying everything except the given is the same as multiplying the product of everything to the left of it with the product of everything. Oh, since we know what everything multiplies to up till any point from both left and right decision, find the product of everything but the ith element, we multiply the rest of IO. What's the problem? Okay, last stream time was brutal. Yeah, sorry for that, but like I had exams. Okay, so this the product of array self. So the approach is really simple, but we have problem with the time complexity. Okay, I don't know Python very well, but I know JavaScript. No, we're gonna code in Java actually, not in JavaScript and not in Python. Okay, so this. Can people? The way I solved this was initially to find the sum product of the entire list, then iterate through again, and for the element insert simply multiply the sum product by 1. We cannot divide. Okay, so he said no division without using the division operation. Oh, Java, nice. Hey, thank you, man. Okay, so how am I gonna do it? Okay, so let's suppose we are here. Okay, so we know this is the right and this is the left. If we're gonna create sublist, we're gonna. I'm not finding the idea, man. I'm not finding it. Think how you can efficiently utilize prefix and suffix product. Okay, so we're gonna look at the prefix sum to see the. It's gonna be the approach will be like so close. Okay, so this is why it's like this. Okay, so prefix sum. Alright. So this is it. Int fill prefix. So the prefix sum idea is about check ChatGPT. No, we're not gonna use ChatGPT. Okay. So the prefix sum idea is we're gonna sum every element, and the last element will be the sum of the list. So if we have like here 1, so this 1 and this 3, this is this gonna be 6. No, 3, and yeah, we add 3 to 6, and then 6 plus 4 it's 10. Okay, so this is the sum of it, of this list. But the complexity of it, complexity on. Okay, I'm gonna take a look up to the prefix something. Okay, so let's see this. How did we do it? Okay, so a prefix sum. Okay, so for int num, this is n, this is n. Okay, so also in this problem we check uh, if this if this oh if this in this I'm gonna like explain this problem. So in the prefix sum, so we have 1 7 3 6 5 6. So we're looking to the pivot element. The pivot element here is 3. Why? Because 7 plus 7 plus 1. Oh, it's not. Left sum. Okay. 0 1 2. Oh yeah. So this is 11 and this is 11. So where we have 2, so 4 plus 5. So this is the sum. No, this is the 6 is the pivot because and this right side is equal to its left side. Okay. So I think I'm gonna use the same approach. Okay. So int left sum equals 0 and int right sum equal total right sum or left sum minus num I element at the current. Yeah. So it's total sum. If left sum equal right sum, then return oh, this the to return the pivot and update left sum for the next iteration. I think we're gonna use the same approach. Okay, so let's just copy it and modify it a bit. Okay. Okay, so no, not 3. Yeah, different one, but the approach is the same. Here we have like to add, and here we have to multiply. So I think this is not okay. So int, I'm gonna make it total multiplication. Okay, so total empty equals 0. So for int nums, I'm gonna multiply every time. Okay. Okay, so int left sum equals 0. For int I equals 0, I is on int right sum. I'm gonna make it right empty. Will be total empty. So this is empty. Left empty minus num of I. Okay, so in every iteration he will be the right multiplication equal total multiplication. Okay, so now for the first step we're gonna okay, so let's make this. So for the first step we're gonna calculate the multiplication of those. So this is 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 6, and then 4. So the result, the total sum, total MT will be 24. Okay. And then we have int left MT and right MT. If is it been given array, maybe create an array I0. I think we're gonna I of 0. I think for your solution we'll need 2 loops. I think we're gonna need nested one for this. So we have now got it, but I don't know how to tell, say some type of pattern. Yeah, it's like it's a very it resembles to the prefix sum, but I think we're gonna make a prefix prefix multiplication. Okay, so for now the left empty equals 0. Okay, we're gonna start iterate. So now we're here. So the right sum equals the total mt more left mt, which is 24 minus 0 minus 1. Oh. I think this. Oh, so this will be 23. This not minus. This will be division, but he said no division. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try with division. If it works, if it works, I'm gonna. Okay. But if it didn't, like, we're gonna change it. Okay, so we actually don't need this because we have no condition for that. And okay, so now it's 24. We're gonna make 24 in another list. Okay, so I'm gonna create another list, which is array list of integer. See my chart, please. Okay, so for the first output value is 24. 2, 3, 4, 2. Yeah, you're correct. Yeah, it's correct. But how we're gonna do it? Integer. I'm gonna make it final one. It will be a new array list of integer. Okay. Okay. So now we have 24, and after this we're gonna add it. Update the left sum. Okay, so now we have to add it in the list. So final one dot add right empty. Okay. Okay. Second, if we have the pointer here at 2, you can see the pattern in it. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 1 multiplied by 3. I really don't see it. Yeah, I can see it actually, but I can't do it in without nested loop, I think. Okay, so for the 2, we have left here equal left here will be equal now I. Okay, so it will be 1. Okay. So the right will be 24 minus 1 multiplied by 2. No, it should be 12. So I think it's division. This is a multiplication, I think. Left sum. No, here will be 0. It will be always 0. Yeah, we can do it in that way, but we have to do it in nested loop, and we are not like we are not allowed to make the nested loop. Okay, so let me search for prefix. Is there like prefix multiplication? Prefix multiplication. Okay. Start from the left to the right, then the right to the left. The total product of everything. Everything to the left. Oh! Can we really do it like this? The right to the left. No. Okay. So there is another like approach. Okay. So here this is 20. Here this is 12. Okay. And here this is uh, it's gonna be like the okay, so here this is 12, and here this is 8, and here this is no, this is 6. This is 6. It's the same thing from the right to the left. We get the product all and start from the left to the right, and then the right to the left. It's the same thing. I haven't started MDSA yet, so I'm not sure what to use. In a single multiply. Oh, no, it's not. It's not. It's not. Okay, so if we okay, I'm gonna find it. Okay, I'm gonna find the pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now 1 from 1, 2. This is 6, and this is 24. Okay. Now we have 4. Now we have 12. Now we have 24. Now we have 24. Okay. Okay, so let's say we are here in the 2. This should be 12, which is 2 and 12. Okay, in the 3. This should be 8. How am I gonna make 8? Yeah, but okay. How we gonna? So how we gonna make 8 out of 3 or? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Oh. Okay, so here we have to make it 6. So it's 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. It's 8. Yeah. That's the thing. We can leave the 3 and multiply the rest, but we have to do it in nested way. Can you like? Yeah, I thought of the 2 pointers, but I think the 2 pointers will be the same. I think. Okay, so let's think of the 2 pointers. Okay, I didn't know the answer of this. Okay. Okay, so now I have I, and this is, suppose you are here, and this is G. No, this is G. Okay. So let's make a while loop. Okay. I'm not sure where to. Okay. So I'm gonna make int I equals 0, int g equals 0, and yeah, we can like we can um, we can consider the case if there is a 0, then we're gonna shorter the solution. Okay, so we have two pointer here. Right. And okay, I'm gonna make it start and end. Okay, and now while I is lower than int if I equals 0, int if I is lower than nums dot length, int of I or I plus plus. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Every time we're gonna increment the I. Okay, so this is every time the start will be plus plus and the end will be that would be a nested loop another time, or not? They will be nested. Okay, I'm gonna make this answer. Okay, so chat, I think I get it. We're gonna like make two loops. Okay, so I'm gonna make two loops. We're gonna calculate the right and calculate the left, and then multiply them. Just two loops, two independent. Okay. Hey bro, it's okay to get stuck. No, I'm not stuck. Hello, Maze, welcome stream. I'm not stuck. I'm gonna do it. Okay. So watch me. Okay, so I'm gonna make a for loop. But I think we don't need this. Okay. So for int I equals 0, I is lower than nums dot. Okay, so one, we're gonna start it from the end to the I, and then from the I to the end. But how we're gonna do it? Okay. So we're gonna initialize the first element. I'm gonna define it as a normal list. This like better. Okay. So int of I as ow. Int I is of final one will be int of n, and the n will be the n will be the nums dot length. Okay. Hope everything is good and well after that accident. Oh, thank you, man. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I'm alright. Thank you for asking, by the way. Okay, so the one will not. So this is for the right side. So we're not. We're not gonna go to the to the end actually. So this will be answer of, or like final one of I will be nums minus 1 multiplied by finals 1 I minus 1. Oh, so the I should start from the 1, not the 0. Multiplied by answer of 1 of I minus 1. Okay, so we're gonna make it in a independent list and we're gonna multiply, and we're gonna repeat this, I think. We're gonna repeat this another time. So this to calculate the left side, and yeah, so this is int I equal n minus 1. We're gonna do it reversely. So n equal n minus 1, n equal 0. It's 0. Minus I minus, like we did in the this approach. Okay. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? I think this is this should be okay. I'm gonna define, like I defined. So we're not gonna need this. I'm gonna define the right. Okay, so I'm gonna define right will be equal 1, and here the right will be the answer I. Oh no, the answer I. We're gonna print the answer. So answer of I will be multiplied by the right. What are you saying, chat? I think this is good, yeah? I think my thing is good. And the right, we're gonna multiply it again by nums of I. Oh. Yeah, this is good. And after all this, we're gonna return the answer. Yeah. This is the, not the answer actually. So this is the final. Final one. I'm not knowing why I'm like right answer. Okay, so final one. Okay, let's run it, chat. You're gonna see me, man. Okay. Error expected. Why? It's not good. Oh, new. Okay, so new. Yeah, it's a new. I'm always forgetting it. Okay. Okay, so make it like this. Finball. It's final. Hey chat, where are... Okay. So it's zeros. Why is that? It's zeros. Answer. Final one. Final one. Final one should be. Or final zero should be one. It's not final, it's actually final one. Yeah. Sorry, chat, I'm a little bit. Oh, chat, we're good. I'm a little bit in a rush, but man, no, it's 40 minutes. Okay, so we're good. 40 minutes is not that bad, but yeah, we'll try to make. Okay, so the runtime is very good actually. Yeah, so the runtime is so good. Yeah, that was a really good problem about the like prefix multiplication. Hey, thank you, man. Uh, so I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you everyone. Hope you're doing good. Hope you had a good day. So I'm gonna end the stream here, as I said. We're gonna meet tomorrow, hopefully. So thank you everyone for. Oh, we're ahead of the competition. Yeah, I am. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this stream. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Don't forget to like this video if you want me to make more content like this. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Good night.